Hello guys, Florin here, and for today's video we have this Mini Cooper Countryman, and if I'm right, this is my first ever Mini Cooper at detailing. So I have to do an interior detailing and a foam wash. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, after the first rinse, there are a lot of paint marks, or how to call them, and the whole left car, it's like this, like from the headlight all the way to the A-pillar and the whole passenger door. You can see it clear as day. There are a lot of it. Normally I would use reset, but on this one I will try descale and I'll be diluting it 1:7 or something like that. I'll make it a little bit stronger just to see if this one will help. But to be honest, I doubt that this will get rid of that. So I have to prepare for clay barring, and I bet it will be a lot of clay barring on this one. So I have to clay bar it, and let's see how this one goes. I hope it goes away easily. So check this out. And after like 3 hours of vacuuming, brushing and using the tornador, this floor came out almost amazing. I still have to use the injection and the extraction method. But to be honest, I'm always amazed how much a huge difference can make a really, really good deep vacuum on it. And it was way dirtier than I expected, to be honest. But it came out amazing. So let's continue. When you have buttons placed like these ones in front of the clusters, always take cautious when you're using compressed air so you don't move the solution or the chemical behind this glass, because it will leave a mark. So in my opinion, just wipe it down as much as you can, let it dry a little bit, and when it's drier then you can blow, but carefully so it won't go behind. At this moment, the whole car is clean except the windows. Those will be the last. And it's time to apply the dressing, and because of all the shapes and curves and everything this car has, it's a bit hard to apply on every surface, like even in these tight spots with an applicator or a towel. So for this one I'll be using Tornador, and here I have Car Pro Perl diluted 1:5. I'll mist the whole car and let it dwell for like 1 minute, or not even dwell, because I'll start here, go all around the car, and then I'll come again with a microfiber and wipe off the excess from here all around. So let's get started.